You're obviously adding technical capability and ideas and instruments or mechanisms that can allow the finance to be allocated here. How are clients or investors reacting to this idea?
Extremely well. Extremely well. We've been surprised by the reaction. It started about 7-8 years ago. We started to test large institutional investors, big pension funds, or big asset managers on the concept of decommissioning bonds. We said, look, we need to clean up. Often there's no reserve, so we have to build up a reserve first. It will take 10, 15 years. So if we build up a reserve now, if the cost of capital is low, we can have a positive carry by investing the money for a number of years. So why don't we come up with a new funding instrument? We call that transition bond or decommissioning bonds that will raise money, and all the proceeds will be allocated to a reserve or to an activity that will take place 10, 15 years in the future. In the meantime, it's invested at really nice market returns, higher than the cost of capital. The reaction was extremely positive for 2 or 3 reasons. I think the first one is that decommissioning is actually a very easily monitorable activity. You know, if there's something is open, something is closed, you can also monitor the emissions. That's you're in a region, you can check what's happening with CO2 emission or any other greenhouse gas. So it's really easy to check what's happening. You're also doing something which is extremely green in the sense that you're closing down a brown asset and you go to zero in terms of there's no more production. So you really removed a polluting asset, a coal-fired power plants, a coal mine, probably one of the couple, I would say almost diabolical couple of a coal mine and a coal-fired power plants, extremely polluting situations. If you remove them, you can really see the benefits immediately. And on this area, those lands, the site where you closed all brown asset, you can redevelop green assets. So you go almost 190 degrees from brown to green. Takes a bit of time. It's not going to be immediate, but you have a plan. You have a trajectory, which is very, very easy to see and very easy to monitor. On top of that, to be honest, I think most investors want to get involved into cleaning up the planet. It's not as if they refuse. So if they have multiple vectors, one is stewardship, so talking to the boards. The other one is funding decommissioning reserves. That's just one more instrument, one more lever that they can use to clean up.